clearing by Hutang. Yeah, Yangming. Good. And big 3. Then Huang Tang. Keyword 3 Zhao hit. And hit toxin. Heck toxin. How about Xie Tang? Treat also 3 Zhao. But this case hit damp. And keyword constipation. And Qingwei-san, good. Hit. So, yes. Gum and teeth. Daochi-san, where? Hit 3 Zhao. 3 Zhao. Yangming, stomach. This one, heart. Yes, that's correct. Heart. And tongue. Tongue and mouth. Ulcer. Irritability. Irritability. Anything else? And dark urine. Dark urine because of small intestine hit. And what is the main component of Daochi-san? Huang and Mutong. So this is a paired herb for clearing heart hit. Huang and Mutong. And you can name all the ingredients here. Tang. 3 Huang. Huangyan, Huangqin, Huangbai. 3 Huang. And Qiji. And this one with Da Huang. This one is Huangyan and nourishing in herbs. And this one, Di Huang and Mutong. And Longdan Shegan Tang. Where does it go? And it clears heat and damp, just like Xie Tang. And there's one more keyword always need to remember is groin area. Groin area. Pretty much everything about Longdan Shegan Tang, about Bai To Weng Tang. It goes intestine, large intestine, and also damp heat and dysentery. Dysentery. Anything else? Bloody stool. Bloody diarrhea. And Qinghao Bieji Tang, empty heat. And keyword, latent fever. Exertion. Maybe cool down in the morning. Cool in the morning. And next, Dangil Huang Tang, sweating. Sweating by empty heat. Indeficiency, empty heat. Dangui and 6 Huang. And Huangqi is the largest amount. So this is the one sentence summary I made with you, but I hope you can make your own summary.